Now formatting. Our first format is labels. Labels. Here there are three variable y, x, acs. Then fill. So if we use two, then we will define two variable, but we use three variables. So first is y. Y means here place of residence. Place of residence. Y is equal to body weight in kg. Fill is equal to ACS means socioeconomic status or wealth index. Wealth index. Yeah, this is our violin plot of body weight b- by place of residence and wealth index. So we can remove the background, that means theme classic. Then we can move the legend in the top. So theme legend dot position top. Yes, this is our final plot. Now, based on our objective, we can modify the text, variable label, etc. And finally, we can save the data. Already we have discussed in the previous session how to save the graph.